Hello guys, today we are going to learn end knot. This is how we should hold the needle or handle the needle at 90 degrees. You can see how I am handling it to the opposite side and our side I am rotating it. So this is the way we should hold it, and now we see end knot type 1. End knot is very important for all stitches. If we don't put end knot, the design will not be perfect and it will remove. So to show you clearly, the video was little lengthy. Don't feel bored, please listen carefully because it is very important. I showed you three times each types. See again and again. You will not understand, but by seeing you will not understand, and try it while seeing, then you will understand. Okay, again see how I'll show you again two times. Sorry to show you in close up, there is a little late, sorry. See one time how I am doing it, and I will explain you clearly about type 1 and also type 2. Okay, just listen what I am doing. Okay, now you see, showing you clearly, I explain how the thread makes a knot. First step is we should continue our chain stitch, and second, where you want to finish the stitch, listen, where you want to finish the stitch, the last loop of the chain should be pulled little lengthy. Okay, you can see clearly how I am doing. uh, Before to the lengthy chain, we are going to put an end knot. Okay, for that I showed you a small line there. Next, you should twist the last chain. You can see how I am twisting it. You should twist it. I showed the direction in the pen. I marked in the pen how you should twist it. Try it while watching. First step, pull the last chain a little lengthy. Okay, second step, twist the last loop. Okay, then third, insert the needle to the before loop. After inserting, hold the left side thread. Okay, I twisted the last loop and inserting the needle and holding the left side thread of the before loop. Okay, can you see clearly? Just I'm showing you how the thread will make a knot. Okay, you should not do like that how I am showing. Okay, this is how it makes a knot. Okay, if you pushed the last loop out of the needle, it will makes a knot by holding the before thread, I mean before loop. Okay, see it again. I'm starting chain stitch and pulling the last loop a little lengthy and twisting it and inserting the needle to the into the before loop and holding the. Okay, see again carefully. In the before loop you should hold the thread like this, how I am showing. Okay, you should hold the thread like this and push the last loop. Okay, I'm twisting now and inserting into the before thread, holding the thread and pushing the last lengthy loop outside of the needle and pulling down the thread which we are holding below the cloth. You should pull, then it will make a knot. Okay, if you don't understand that, um, again play it and watch it carefully. I also uploaded a close-up video of the type 1 and type 2. uh, you also watch that too for your clear understanding. Next we see type 2. Again the same process but the method is different. I'm taking the last loop little lengthy, that is we can assume it as loop 1 and second, and you see it is loop 1, we assume it as a loop 1, and where I am marking a dot in pen, it is loop 2. We should pull the thread there which I pointed, sorry, where I pointed, you should pull the thread from there and you assume it as a loop 2. Okay, uh, uh, have you see that how I did that? First I pulled the loop 1 a little lengthy, and second step, the middle of the loop 1, I'm pulling the another loop 2, another loop 2. Okay, I'm showing the position of it. I show you the position, see the position carefully. uh, that loop is loop 1 and loop 2. Okay, now you should pull the loop 1 through the loop 2. See how I am doing. Again I will show you. Again I take another chain. Okay, can you see it clearly? Yeah, I took the last loop a little lengthy, and now I am pulling the loop 1 through loop 2. Okay, you should pull the loop 1 through the loop 2, and please try it. Only by seeing you can't understand, please try it while watching. Okay, once again I'm showing. I'm taking the loop 2 and pulling it through. I'm pulling the loop 1 through loop 2. Okay, see it again. Just I'm taking now loop 2 and pulling it through the loop 2. Okay, if you when you pull the thread below, the knot will not be removed. If it is removed, you did not put it perfectly. So put again and again, practice it. Only practice makes you perfect. Okay, I also uploaded the class 3 in close up. After you understand this, see that video classes also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.